Hi, I'm Clay Carlino, and I don't have my hat, and it's really noisy here, but I wanted to post a video in real time. It is about 6:45 on December 20th, and Diablo passed his inspection, and he is now legal to drive in Pennsylvania. So, let's see, wait here. Wait for it. Yeah. I'm ecstatic. This has taken me about 6 months of working on the car, and of course I went for that initial enhanced inspection, and I didn't pass. And you know what? They were right. You know, the things that they found were valid, and then I took the car back and I took it all apart and fixed the things that were wrong. And here's one bit of advice. Anyone who is doing this and you're trying to take a salvaged vehicle and turn it back into a reconstructed vehicle, get a mechanic that you know. And if you don't know a mechanic that does these inspections, find someone who does know a mechanic. I ended up finding a friend of mine at work. Hi Mo, thank you. He's a guy who knows a guy, and maybe he knows a guy, but yeah, you have to find a mechanic who's willing to work with you. And yeah, the people that I went to, they were very professional, but not necessarily really very respectful of the efforts of somebody who's not a professional. So that's it. This is just a short video because I'm really excited and I wanted to let everybody know it worked. I bought a car sight unseen on the internet and spent a ridiculous amount of time putting it back together, but I now have a 2014 Dodge Charger that I own outright, and I love it. So, you've been on this journey with me, and of course, as I get to the footage over the next year, I will release the footage of the work that I did. So you know, we'll get to do this together. But yeah, it's Clay Carlino, and we do stuff. So thanks for doing stuff with me.